Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 12th of November 1990, British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee published the first formal proposal for the World Wide Web. At the time of his invention, Berners-Lee was working at CERN, the European Organisation for Nuclear Research in Switzerland. He had initially been based there as a communications engineer, but after 3 years working for another company in Britain on a computer networking project, returned to CERN as a fellow. During his previous tenure, Berners-Lee had developed a way to use hypertext to improve the way that researchers could share and update information within the facility. By the time he returned to CERN, the Internet, the name given to the global connection of different computers and networks, was expanding exponentially. He later described the creation of the World Wide Web as putting the Internet's existing TCP/IP technology together with other previously developed technologies such as hypertext and DNS. In less than 2 months, Berners-Lee had developed the first 4 key parts of his hypertext project: a piece of software known as a browser called World Wide Web, which he spelled as one word without spaces, a web editor, a web server, and the first ever web pages. The World Wide Web was initially met with a muted response outside CERN, so was only used internally until it made its debut on the Internet on the 6th of August 1991, following a post by its inventor on a newsgroup. Within 5 years, the World Wide Web had begun to be adopted by people and companies that weren't connected with science or academia, and it's seemingly been dominated by photographs of cats ever since.